This is definitely the perfect filter right here. Now that's that cinematic look I'm going for. That's the cinematic look I'm going for. We back in New York, man. With the right filter this time. Dang. But yeah, this would be better for nighttime anyways. Now it's gonna feel exactly like a movie. It's gonna feel just like a movie. Oh. Yeah, so man, forgot to put the freaking filter on, y'all. But good thing we got more to go. I just have to check the footage in the background to see what we already got. There's McDonald's on the front store shop. What the? Times Square. I only seen it in the movies, y'all. I was only able to see it in the movies. But New York is a beautiful cinematic city to be in. There go the hot dog stands I was talking about. Man. Hopefully y'all stay tuned long enough to get to this footage because it's amazing. Here we go in the main part of Times Square. Look at the ground, man. How the lights hit the ground. And then we coming up. Cinematic. Times Square. Just like the movies, y'all. Oh. Looking good. Like I said, the biggest thing you gotta do, man, is don't get hit by a car. Just don't get hit by a car. That's the main goal, that's the main objective. Because they will hit you. You know, New York trip will turn into a hospital trip. Man, but I can't say it enough how New York is just it. New York is as advertised, I promise you. It's as advertised. The visuals are off the hook. They're crazy. In the middle of it all. I'm guessing New York is LA or the East, ain't it? People still come here to follow their dreams. More acting. Acting just like LA. People go to LA. People go to New York for their acting careers, music careers also. So yeah, New York is the place to be. New York is the place to be. Now, bathroom is where I should be. I need to go use it. Look at this paradise. Everywhere you turn, visuals, and there go another hot dog and pretzel stand. At least we know the movies ain't exaggerating. Should I cross another street? I think I'm good. I do need to find a bathroom. Look at the fine New York people. Maybe they tourists, maybe not. Nothing? Ooh, boy, my hands are freezing now. But yeah, this is good for me. I should walk off that food I ate. Eating too much processed food. Hopefully I can walk the pounds off. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy, nobody bringing it to you like this. The USA tour continues. Traffic is unreal here, man. You do not want to come here driving. You also don't want to come here paying for Ubers too. So it's a pick your poison. Another snack shop.
That's under time at 17:45 hours.
Let's head back and see what we missed. We'll be going to Paris in a couple of weeks. Excited for that trip. Long flight, but I'm excited. I just see it as practice before I take the even longer flight to get to Thailand and to Bali, because those are the main destinations on the list, on the travel vlog list. We're gonna hit them soon, man. I'm not sure when, but when this USA tour is up, we're gonna come with the big hitters. Believe that.
Novelty.
Got Times Square in the rain. I can't imagine having a drone out here. What that would be like. Go. And you would think jaywalking was illegal. Jaywalking is not illegal here in New York. I promise you that. I'm gonna have to find something to do. I paid for 14 hours, $44 of parking. Right in the smack dab in the middle, y'all. And you better believe my fingers are freezing. Yeah, it's time to get back to the car. My fingers on froze. Winter was supposed to be over. Winter was supposed to be over. Wow, look at that cinematic view of the city. Can I get over here? Boy, crossing the road is dangerous in New York. I'm gonna keep saying it. Keep your head and eyes on the swivel. If 1,000 people ain't crossing the street, you don't cross the street. And make sure you're in the dead middle so they can take the damage first.
So what am I going to change? So it's one.
Look at that. Look at that. Who's giving it to y'all like that? Nobody's giving it to you like that. Ooh. Do gotta use the bathroom now though. And walk past all these places, I promise you, they ain't got no bathroom in there. I was supposed to go to the library to do some work, man. I need to get some work done. But finding out I done got here and they close at 6. I don't know why I ain't think to look at what time they close. Ooh. You got the subs and the ice cream shops. Cinematic night on Times Square. Oh man, I wish the sun was out. It was a hot day. I'll be able to walk longer. My hands are freezing. And I gotta come up off that 40 ball just for parking. I did not set a budget coming to New York. Oh man. Remember that, man. If y'all enjoying the videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Share. Tell your friends about us. We going places. And I want y'all to come with me. You know what I'm saying? All right. I think we about to finish up just a little bit. Get a little bit more footage. Then we clocking out because the camera gonna die. Don't want the camera to turn off on us, man. So far so good. I'd rather be in New York than Las Vegas. I promise you that. The difference between the two is they're both live, but Las Vegas feels so dead, man. It's lifeless. It's like people go for one thing, and you get that one thing, but there's nothing more left to offer it. And then when you come to New York, it's full of just life. People walking around with purpose. Even if you're a tourist, you're walking around with purpose. Whew. New York just feels real. It just feels so real. That's all how I could describe it. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is just it's crowded. And that doesn't mean just like crowded with people. It just I mean it's crowded. Like the roads are small, the streets are small. It's compact. Everybody is next to each other. Yes, when it comes to the people, but also when the cars come together because the streets are so narrow. That's the only thing I would say that's bad about New York. It feels small. It's big, full of big dreams, where big dreams come true. But the city is space-wise, dynamics or diameter-wise. It's like no room to move. But yeah, man, I think that's gonna do it, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. We got Paris coming up. We got more videos coming up. It's your boy, and we out.